Greetings from Vista Higher Learning. Thank you for considering our programs. We wanted to take this opportunity to show you where you can find some of the listening content in the Supersite. If you are looking at a program with a fotonovela, roman foto, fotoromanzo, or fotoroman, you'll find it here. Students can click on the title heading here to access the video clip. You'll also see some intuitive iconography that tell us that this is a video, a piece of video with corresponding activities. You'll see that there are activities which ask the students to listen to a portion of the video and then record their voice as well. If your program has a flash cultura, which are integrated cultural videos in our Spanish and French resources that feature young professional broadcasters exploring the chapter themes from locations around the Spanish-speaking Francophone world, you'll find those here. We also offer some authentic content that's found in the En Pantalla section here. It would also be in the zapping, lo zapping, and zapping, and these are authentic commercials and news reports, TV clips that are connected to the language, vocabulary, and theme of each lesson. One of my favorite parts of our materials are our short film, is our short film collection. And here we'll see a short film that I have running that students can view. They can view captions if they'd like in Spanish as the video is running. The short film is also accompanied by activities here. The short films vary anywhere from 5 minutes to 25 minutes long. They are made by independent filmmakers from the Spanish, French, Italian, and German-speaking world. They serve as excellent cultural and linguistic input for students. You also really have a plethora of listening activities throughout the site, and you'll see those here with iconography that tell us that this is a listening activity. Some of the activities require students to record their voice and to respond. You also have end-of-lesson vocabulary with native speaker audio embedded, which this is a nice study tool for students, as well as literary selections in each lesson, which offer native speaker audio and simultaneous highlighting. So students can listen to a native speaker reading, in this case, Poema 20, and as you'll see on the right-hand side, the text is highlighted as the native speaker reads. In Decor and Descubre, we also have our news and cultural updates, which are carefully curated, thematically based authentic texts, including audio and audiovisual. These selections are added every month. New selections are added every month, and you always have access to your past resources. So this is another source of listening, comprehension for students. And then the last thing to mention is that throughout the Supersite, you have opportunities to create your own activities where you can add video via a YouTube link, or add audio via an audio file, or simply recording your voice and giving your students question prompts that they would respond to. And that summarizes all of the listening content, listening activities in our programs. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thanks again.